Hey guys, it's TJ coming to you guys with another video. It is going to be another mukbang. Some seafood. And as you guys can see the seafood. It's all up here. Only thing you really can't see is this. This is seafood salad. I've been dying for some seafood salad. We'll put that right there. So first things first, say my prayer. God's good, God's great. Thank you for the food on my plate. Bless the hands that caught it. Bless the hands that cooked it. And bless the hands that are about to receive it. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. So yeah, first, that's first. Then second of all, I'm going to season my crabs. We'll move this for right now. I'm going to season my crabs. I'm going to season my whole seafood. I didn't season the pot. So what I did was a can of Corona, like this, and I just put Old Bay and garlic. That was it. That's all that was in my pot. So now I have Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, garlic, pepper, lemon pepper, and smoked paprika. So I'm just going to season it up right now. I have mussels. I'm going to use some of this probably to dip. I don't have any butter. I didn't want any butter today. So let's get it started. I have my shot of amaretto. Woo. And we're going to start. So it is store-made seafood salad. We're going to start with this. I'm so excited. Look. I'm going to dip a little bit in the seasoning and see. It's good. As you guys can see, I have different kind of crabs. I bought the Dungeness crab this time. It's for my shells. I bought the Dungeness crab because I seen it on sale and I was like, let me try something different. I got extra jumbo shrimp. I didn't feel like a whole bunch of butter. This contains no butter at this point. And it's okay with me. Ooh. And it's got some smoked sweet sausages. I changed my setup so that you guys can see kind of the food. Let me know if you guys like it. The Dungeness crab was $9.99 a pound. I got 2 pounds. The seafood salad was $3.99 a pound. I got a pound. The shrimp was $9.99 a pound. I got a pound. And the mussels were $4.99 for 2 pounds. And the smoked sweets was 2.5 pounds for $7.99. I went to ShopRite. It was at the bottom of the pan and I kind of charred it first to get the flavor out. So did you guys watch the presidential something? So don't beat me up in the comments, but I didn't watch it, and a reason why I didn't watch it is because first of all I know it's coming on. I know you guys are like, you're supposed to know this, you're an American, whatever. So I didn't watch it. Even if I knew that it was coming on, I probably wouldn't watch it either. Anyway, because who wants to watch that? Not me. So I just Googled like random questions and it came up random questions for guys and random questions for girls. So, ooh. Okay, so first question. What is the last thing you created? This wonderful dish, girl. Okay, get into it. I really don't eat Dungeness crab only because I really don't see it. But it's really good. Who is a better cook, your mother or your grandmother? My grandmother. Even though she really doesn't cook like that anymore. Both of them. And I miss it. I've inherited that cooking. So I still know how to throw down on some southern cuisine. If you get what I'm saying. It's so good. Corona. When you boil beer, it has a really weird, like, smell. It was like, I was like, oh. But then to taste it, it's like amazing. What book do you believe should be turned into a movie? I don't really read. Is there an app that you hate but use always? Social media in general. I love to hate social media. What was the last thing you fixed? This meal, duh. My best friend's broken heart. Could you survive in the wilderness for a month? Baby, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't think so. And I used to be a Boy Scout. Now you give me a week, maybe I can finagle something. You said a month? What piece of technology brings you the most joy? My iPad. Not even my phone, because my phone be dry. My iPad, I put on my little YouTube. My iPad is all I need. No shade. And the crazy part is I lost my phone. I thought I lost my phone yesterday. And I had lost my I had it in my peacoat. And I guess when I got my car, it fell in the side. I went back in the gas station. I was like, hey, did I leave my phone in here? But then I was like, duh, you have, you can call your phone. I mean, you can call somebody from your car if your phone's in your car. So I called my grandmother and told her to call me twice because my phone's in do not disturb mode. So it only comes through on the second ring. I mean, on the second try. So she did it and it was right there in my car. I was like, so annoyed. If you could rename the street you lived on, what would you rename it? Trotter Lane, duh. That's my last name. What do your clothes say about you? That I don't care what I wear? No shade. Because I really don't. And me and my friend was just talking about this. That we have to dress better because I'll go out in my sweatpants or Uggs and be fine. And be fine. Oh, you feel me? One day I will change my style and I will be doing better. That's what y'all want to hear. What's your going to bed routine? Nothing, because I barely sleep. If you guys personally know me, you guys know what I do for a living. And I get off of work sometimes at upwards of 6 o'clock in the morning. So now that I'm not working as much because it's a slower season, I'm up until 7 o'clock in the morning sometime. Just bored. There's a lot more work to do in Dungeness crabs. What animal best represents your personality? An elephant. It's currently sideways, but you guys know what I mean. I know I say it every mukbang, but I'm definitely not gonna eat all this food. Oh. What piece of clothing can someone wear that immediately makes you have a bad option of them as a person? Honestly, I don't think any. I can't say I don't judge. I feel like everybody judges. Roast me in the comments if you want to. I don't care. But honestly, there's none. What's the fullest you ever been? After a mukbang, and I don't even finish it. My first mukbang that I did, I ate that food 2 more times after that mukbang. What I usually do is like, wait, I'm ready for it. And then I come upstairs and I lay down for a little bit. I might FaceTime my best friend or something. And then I start editing the mukbang. Then usually by then, I open up another beer. And I'll just chill. And then, like it's 6 o'clock now. And this is my first meal of the day. So I know by 10:30, I'll be hungry again. These are my go-to mussels, which I like the green lip ones, which I had the other day. Yeah, I think that was yesterday. No, day before yesterday. Yesterday I went to Buffalo Wild Wings. February, to me, is frugal February. I don't want to eat out in February. I'm not eating seafood in February. And especially because I'm planning a trip for April. So I need to, ooh, look at this. So I need to save my coin. What behaviors make you think a person is creepy? Stuff that they would probably say, or some of their actions. What is the funniest cell phone cover you've seen? So my friend lives in China. She's studying abroad. And she Snapchatted this cell phone case that was a naked lady on the top and money on the bottom, and it had glitter, but the glitter was kind of covering her up, and then once the glitter went down, it showed like she was naked. That was weird, but it was cute. What company or franchise do you wish to go out of business? Now let me say this. I don't wish anybody to lose their jobs or anything, or I don't wish bad on anybody. But Kmart is very much like when the guys have their hairlines that are like back here and they don't want to give up and they don't want to cut off their hair. Kmart, well, the ones near me, they're just so outdated. It's like, make up your mind, do something. Because it's like 1990 in that store. Even though I was only born in 92, you know what I mean. I'm giving away my age. So I use one can of beer for the for the seafood. Another can of beer I'm drinking now, and then I got this big Modelo Corona Familia, which I tried before, and it was like amazing. I think it's kind of like if you guys drink beer, Modelo Negra. What the fuck? To me, you guys won't judge me. Honestly, nothing. Oh, I lied. I got a lot done today. As in like making calls. I filed my taxes and everything. I think I'm switching insurance companies. So yeah. Then we went to ShopRite. But I was up until 7 o'clock in the morning. And I don't want to take my melatonin because I don't want my body to really get like used to it. But I have melatonin gummies, all natural gummies that I take that helps me sleep. I don't want to take them if I have nothing to do the next day, then I'm not going to take it and risk my body. Like, I don't know. It's all natural and everything. Even the ingredients list is like, it's all natural, but it's just like I be scared. So I went to sleep at like 7:30, 8 o'clock. Woke up at 12. Made my calls. Made my calls. Went to ShopRite. Came back. Started my seafood. And then found out how I was going to do this setup. Which I hate this setup. But you guys wanted to see the seafood, so you guys can see it. Which musical artist is greatly Which musical artist is greatly overrated? And y'all gonna kill me in the comments. And she used to be my fave. Like, my family was like, that's your wife. Beyonce. Don't shut off on the video because you mad and you picking. I feel like Beyonce, I love her down. I couldn't get into her last album really. And I just feel like as an artist she's amazing. She got it. She could write, she could sing, she could do all that. I just didn't get into her last album and everybody was going off about it. Oh, look at this big chunk of meat. Everybody was going off about it, which I get it. I just couldn't get into it. I won't talk on that on too much because y'all might try to fight me. What's the perfect temperature to set the thermostat? I don't know, because if you ever driven with me anywhere during the winter time, sometimes I'm hot, sometimes I'm cold, sometimes I'm driving with the AC, with the heat on blast, sometimes I'm driving with the windows down. Even like when I'm in my room, even during the winter time, like last night, I slept with my window open, under my covers. That's just, I don't know how my body is, honey.